Shall I repaint the sink after a little over a year? We have a new faucet to replace the old one. Before installing a new faucet, I originally decided to repaint the sink. As you can see, the paint is peeling off right around here. That's mainly because I didn't remove the faucet and plug. The paint job doesn't look so good around here, and the paint is yellowing right where the water flow is. If you're going to repaint the sink, it's best to remove the faucet and plug for a nice clean job. I do have a video on how to repaint the sink. If I wasn't replacing the faucet, I would most likely not repaint until sometime later. All right, it's out. And look how yellow the original sink is. Yucky. It didn't take me long to decide not to repaint the sink, and off I went to get a new sink to go with the new LED faucet. Our installation of faucet and sink will be in the next video, so stay tuned.